Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Xiaomi Mi Band 8, also known as Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Okay, and this time we are going to check one of its features, the notification features, the call and message notification. So we are going to check on that, okay, and see how the notification function works. Okay, so we'll have a demo of this feature. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo or video review, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. And as you can see here, okay, we are already paired with the Mi Fitness application. Okay, so to be able to see or to make the notification works, whether it's call or message notifications, let's check first the settings for these features. So we have here, okay, the app notifications, and as you can see here, okay, it is activated. Receive only when the phone is locked. Wake screen. Okay, let's see if we do have here more options. Okay, custom notifications, nothing. So sync all notifications. So all of the notifications that you receive on your phone will be, okay, sent to your smart fitness tracker. Okay, if you deactivate this one, okay, you can choose, okay, the different applications as you can see here. In our case, we just set it to sync all notifications. Okay, going back, we do have here also activated the incoming calls. Okay, silence unknown callers, reply with message. Okay, so let's try to activate this. To be able to reply to calls with messages on your wearable device, allow this app to send messages. Okay, so allow Mi Fitness to send and view SMS, okay, messages, just allow it. Okay, so quick responses, so we have it here. Okay, so let's try our own. Can we add? Okay, send. Okay, this is a reply from Mi Band 8. Okay, so this is our quick reply. So we'll check on this later on. Okay, so we have here in a meeting, will reply soon, can talk now, what's up, can talk now, give me a call later. Okay, this is a reply from Mi Band 8. Okay, so everything is set. So let's start. Okay, so this one, the smart fitness tracker, the Mi Band 8, is paired here in the smartphone. Okay, so we have here another smartphone. So let's send a message. Okay, so hello Mi Band 8. Okay, so let's start. So this is an SMS message. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, message sent. Hello Mi Band 8. Did not receive here, or maybe we received but did not, the screen did not activated. Oh, as you can see here, we have the message, hello Mi Band 8. So let's try to check. We have other options here that we can set. Receive only when phone is locked. App notifications, wake screen. Okay. Okay, so let's try another one. Hello Mi Band 8 again. Okay, so let's try. We'll see if the message will appear. But for that, let's adjust the screen here so you can see it right away. Display auto lock in 1 minute. Let's make it 5 seconds. Okay, so let's see, and we'll send this message. Okay, we received, but we did not have a display here. Okay, but we do have the notifications, as you can see here. Do we have to set up notifications? So let's see. We have to set do we have to set something here? So let's check. I want the screen to display something. Vibration mode. Okay, default off. Sync with phone on. Okay, so we have here app notifications. Wake screen upon notifications. It is activated. Notify only when warned. Let's turn this off. Okay. Notify only when phone is locked. Okay, let's deactivate that one. Okay, let's have another one. Let's not try. Okay, last one. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the screen wake up and showed us the notification here. So open on phone. Okay, can we read the message? Okay, so we have it here. Where's the message? Last one. Okay, here are the previous one messages. Okay, so that's it. You have to set it first on the smartphone as well as the fitness tracker. Okay, so no issues with the SMS notifications. Okay, let's go to the application notification. We have here the WhatsApp. So let's try. From WhatsApp. Again, there's no quick reply, I think, for the SMS messages, only for the calls. Let's see later on. Okay, so we have here the message with the icon. So you have an option here to open on the phone. Okay, as you can see here, it activated. Okay, again. Okay, I'm going to send a message again. Okay, when I tap here dismiss, it will just ignore the message, but when I tap open on phone, I guess it will open the message here. Okay, so it's a pretty cool feature. So here it works, the application notification for the WhatsApp application. Okay, let's have here a call. Okay, so here you have an incoming voice call, so you have a message. Okay, just end. Okay, so it works also for the call notification. Okay, then let's try the other one. How about here? Let's dial the number. Okay, contacts. Okay, let's call. So I am now calling the number. So let's see. As you can see, it works. So swipe up to reply. So you have an option to dismiss the call, or end the call here, or reply. How do we swipe this? Like this. Okay, so you have an option here to reply. In a meeting, will reply soon, can't talk. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, sending. Let's see if we'll receive the message. It's now sending the reply. Couldn't send. Did not work. Okay. Again, let's try. Dialing. Okay, so we have here. Okay, then again, how does it work? Let's do it again. Swipe to reply. Can't talk right now. Let's see. Couldn't send. Did not work so far. Missed calls. I can't make the reply function works. Okay. What's up? Let's try another one. Open on phone. There's no option here. Okay, so we have here. It is just late. Okay. Okay, this is reply from a Mi Band 8. I guess we just have an issue with our services. Okay. Network services. But we received the messages here. Okay, this is a reply from the Mi Band 8 and can talk now. What's up? Okay, so far it works. We just have some minor issues, but so far it works. Okay, let's have another one. Let's see. Okay, we are now calling. So let's see. Can't talk now, give me a call later. We can dismiss also. Let's try to dismiss. Okay. Okay, that is to ignore. How about this one? Let's try. And call. Let's see. Okay, so we have a missed call. Okay, how about this one? Okay, it ends. Okay, so it stops the call. Another one. Okay, this I'm in a meeting, will reply soon. Let's see. Okay, sent. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, we received the message. I'm in a meeting, will reply soon. Okay, nice. It is a pretty cool feature here that you can reply, or we have a quick reply function in the Mi Band 8. Okay, again, it works only with the calls, not the message notifications. But the message notification also works, as well as the app notifications. Okay, so that's it for the call and message notifications of the Mi Band 8 with quick reply function for the Mi Band 8 calls. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this video review, video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.